Hey, Mr. Krabs, it's Squidward.
Look, Squidward, is there SpongeBob next play with Barbie does up?
What do you got there, Mr. Krabs?
Oh, nothing, SpongeBob. It's a book about how to make more money during a job like this.
Yep, like he said, SpongeBob.
Is that my diary you're holding, Mr. Krabs?
Of course not, SpongeBob. Why would you say that?
Show me the book right now, Mr. Krabs.
But it was Squidward's idea, SpongeBob.